Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara. Today we are in Lavington in this gated estate of 12 units. Each home in this estate is a 4-bedroom all-ensuite villa with a print area of 350 square meters. But because this one is a corner plot, you have in excess of 6 parking lots. About the security, each home in this gated estate is at a 24-hour security system. So if you are thinking of doing something fishy, just know that someone is watching. The estate comes with extra parkings for your visitors, kids play area for your young kids, and backup generators just in case Kenya Power decides to do their thing. Right now, we have 3 units on sale and the price is 65 million. If I were you, I would come and grab the corner one because it has more parking lots and more privacy. Each home comes with a dedicated green area in the front and at the back. So if gardening and relaxation is in the list of your hobbies, we got you covered. I'll take you inside. From the entrance, this home has 3 levels, and right now we are at the 2nd level. I know that's very complicated for you, but this estate has been built on a slightly inclined land. So from the entrance, you immediately go to the 2nd level. The 1st level is below us, the 3rd level is above us, and above it you have a roof deck. On this level, you have the common bathroom behind me, this door that takes you to the kitchen, and on the far front you have the normal lounge. I'll show you that first. From the foyer, this stairs takes you to the 3rd level. This living room is massive, and it comes with floor-to-ceiling windows there and here, but on this side, they act as an access to the balcony. From there, you can see that the living room comes with very high ceilings, and this is the focal point of this home. I like the work that the developer has done on this wall, and it makes this home look very interesting and very expensive. Below it, you have the fireplace. From there, you can see that this home receives maximum natural light, and the views that you get from this balcony of your garden are breathtaking. On the other side of this living room, this home comes with an open kitchen, and on the far end, it comes with a work kitchenette. Here, you have your dining space, and this space is massive to fit a 10-seater or an 8-seater dining set. Just before you get to the kitchen, you have this countertop that can be used as a breakfast table. I'll show you the kitchen. This kitchen comes with granite countertops all over, and I love it that they blend very well with the dark brown of the cabinets. At the center, you have your cooking area, and it comes with a 4-burner gas cooktop and an induction cooktop. Above it, you have your heat extractor. Behind me, this kitchen comes with a single sink for light kitchen works. The kitchen also comes with upper and lower cabinet for maximum storage. On my right hand side, you have this space that has been set aside for your refrigerator, and I like it that the space is big enough for your double door. The kitchen also comes with a microwave and an oven. Next to this kitchen, you have the pantry of this home and an active kitchenette. I'll show you that. The pantry of this home is standard, not the biggest that you have seen in the channel, but it's sufficient for all your dry foods. I'll show you the other kitchen. This is the activity kitchenette, and it means that this is where you do all your kitchen activities instead of working the main kitchen. This door takes you to the laundry area. I'll show you that, and later I'll show you the common washroom. The laundry area comes with a countertop that can be used as an ironing board, and below it you have spaces for your washer and dryer. The laundry area also comes with this space where you wash your shoes, or you can use it to wash your pets. That's all for this space. From the kitchen, this is the common washroom, and it comes with a vanity on my left, and the main washroom is on my right. I'll take you to the lower level. On my left hand side, you have the study of this home, and on my far front, you have the guest bedroom. The study is sufficient for your kids, but you can choose to use this space as an office, though we have another space upstairs that is dedicated for the office. I will show you the guest bedroom. This door takes you to the backyard. From there, you can see that the guest bedroom is massive and sufficient for all your guests, and if you have more than one guest, this space can host them. The guest bedroom has the best views to the garden, and this window acts as the access to the garden. And from here, you are getting the coolest breezes from this green area. On my right hand side, you have the closets of this bedroom, and next to it, you have its bathroom. The wardrobes are normal high quality floor to ceiling closets, and they are very well partitioned. At the bathroom area, you have a floating wash basin, a dedicated washroom, and a shower cubicle. This space comes with all the necessary fixtures that you require. From here, I'll show you the garden, and then I'll take you to the third level. From there, you can see that the garden is very beautiful with a lot of greenery, and you have these steps that takes you to the other part of the garden. On the other side of the garden, you have that access that takes you to the two of the employee quarters that come with this home. I'll take you back inside. From the lower level, we will take these stairs to the third level. On this level, we have this space that is dedicated for the office. This is the first bedroom, and this mini staircase takes you to the primary bedroom. On my far front, you have the second bedroom. Let's see the office first. The office is of a standard size, and on this side, you have this shelf for all your documents and this countertop for your laptops. The first bedroom is massive, and it comes with a corner window. Here you have some extra storage, and the bathroom to this bedroom is on my far right. Before I show you the bathroom, I'll show you the closet. The closet to this bedroom is here, and it adopts the same concept that we saw in the guest bedroom. The best thing about this space is that it comes with a picture window that gives this space a very natural look. On this opposite side, you have the floating vanity, and behind me, you have the bathroom area. The bathroom area comes with a separate washroom and a shower cubicle next to it. One thing that I like about the bathrooms of this home is that they come with a drop-down rain heads. From here, I'll take you to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one, and it comes with a slightly bigger window and a slightly bigger closet. This closet adopted the same concept that we saw in the other bedrooms. On the opposite side of the wardrobe, you have the bathroom of this bedroom, and it comes with a floating vanity as usual, and the bathroom is next to it. This bathroom is just similar to the one that I showed you earlier, though this one is slightly smaller. From the second bedroom, I'll take you to the primary bedroom, which is slightly elevated from the two bedrooms. The primary bedroom is the biggest. It comes with the biggest window, and it gets the best views to the garden. This massive picture window comes with two sliding doors, and from here, you get the best breezes from this locality. On the opposite side of the bedroom, you have the walk-in closet and the bathroom. At the entrance of the walk-in closet, you have a dresser, and it comes with a massive mirror. Above it, you have an extra storage. The walk-in closet is sufficient for you and your partner, and it comes with storage on both sides. From the walk-in closet, you have a massive bathtub, and on my left-hand side, you have the washroom. The bathroom comes with a normal floating WC and a tissue holder. The bathroom area comes with a double vanity, two mirrors, and a separate shower cubicle. The shower cubicle comes with all the features that we saw in the other shower cubicles. And from here, I'll take you to the roof deck. The print area covers an area of around 100 square meters, and this is where you get the best views of the estate, or you can modify this space for your barbecue. From here, you'll get the best sunsets, and that's all for this roof deck. We have come to the end of the video, and I hope you have enjoyed. If you want to be part of this gated community, it will only cost you 65 million. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, never stop watching. Bye-bye.